Okay, so question 4 says, a Lake Asa clinic has 72 registered patients with a venous, okay, arterial or ulcers of mixed causes. Okay, if 61 have venous ulcers and 4 are of mixed causes, what percentage are arterial ulcers? Okay, so they are asking for arterial ulcers. Now, let's go back and see what it's talking about. So, in total, we have 72 registered patients, okay, who have venous arterial or ulcers of mixed causes. So that's the total of mixed causes. Now, 61 have venous ulcers, and 4 are of mixed causes. Right, so let's see here. What is he asking? He's asking of those who have got arterial ulcers. So what we need here is add this. Remember, the total is this. So if we add this plus that, so because what we need is, let's see what they are finding. So let's put in the formula what I want to do. Okay, so they are asking what percentages are arterial ulcers. So we need arterial ulcers divided by total times 100 over 1. Okay, so let's see. So we know the total is 72, so that's not a problem. But the problem we have here is we need to add. So 61 plus 4 will give us 65. And this is 65, 4 are of mixed, 61 are venous. Okay, so this is mixed, and this is venous. So what is missing is the arterial. Okay, so we know the arterial ulcers now are going to be 72, take away 65. Okay, let's put it in vertical. So take away 65. Okay, all right, so 2 take away 5, I can't, so I have to borrow 1 from here. And then obviously I cancel and I put 6 because I've taken 1. That 1 becomes 10. 10 plus 2 is going to be 12. And 12 take away 5 is going to be 7. So 7, they are the ones which are arterial. Okay, so these are arterial ulcers. Okay, so then we'll go back and substitute into this formula. So arterial, which is 7, let me take this off. Okay, so arterial is 7, and we have 72, and then multiply. So the total is 72. That's what we've been given, times 100 over 1. Okay, right. Okay, so you can start with a smaller number. It doesn't matter. Okay, so we can start with 2. So 2 here into 7 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. And 7 take away 6 is 1. Then 1 comes here, which means we have dropped 2, becomes 12. And then 2 into 12 is going to be 6. And then 2 into 10 is 5. 2 cannot go into 1, so you drop 0. So 2 into 10 is 5. 2 into 0 is 50. Okay, so that's 50. You can divide by 2 again. 2 into 3 is 1. And 1 times 2 is 2. 3 take away 2 is 1. You drop 6. So 2 into 16 is 8. And then 2 here is going to be 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 5 take away 4 is 1. And then you drop 0. So 2 into 10 is 5. Okay. Now, then there's no any other number that can divide into any of those. So what you have 7 times 25 over 18. Okay, so we need to multiply these out. So the top, I'm going to have 7 times 5 is going to be 35. And 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus 3 is going to be 17. So I've got 175 over 18. Okay. Let me go up, because if I go down, some of these I've seen they are missing, which is not good. So let me go up. So we can do long division, learning from the previous tests. So let's do long division. Okay, just remember that obviously because you were not allowed to use the calculator at the moment, so we have to rely on finding different ways of actually working out the answers. Okay, so we're going to have 175 and we're dividing by 18. So 18 into 17 can't go in there. All right, so we need to take 18 into 175. Okay, so if we put 10, it's going to be 180. And 180 is just 5 less, than, 5 more than this. So try 9. Okay, so let's try 9. And we'll see where I'm putting 9. Okay, say because we are dividing into 175, not into 17. So 9 should come here. So 9 times 8 is going to be 72, is it? Should be 72. And 9 times 1 is going to be 9. 9 plus 7 is going to give us 16. Yeah, so 16. Okay, and we need to subtract. 5 take away 2 is going to be 3. And 7 take away 6 is going to be, yeah, so that's correct. Yes, 13. Okay, so then we're going to have 0 and then 18 into, sorry, 18 before I put a 0, I need to divide it. So 18 into 13 is it doesn't go in there, so it's going to be a point. Then I'm going to add a 0. Okay, so 130. So 9 was 162. If we drop another 2 here, so let's try 7. 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. Okay, and then we borrow 1 here. 10 take away 6 is going to be 4. Then I'm going to add a 0. And 18 into 40 is going to be 6. Not 6. 2. 2 times 18 is 36. If I take away 40 from minus 36, is going to give me 4. So it will continue. So it's going to be 2, 2, 2, 2. Yeah. Okay. So the answer at the end will be 9.72 to 2 decimal places. Okay, so the answer is going to be 9.72 to 2 decimal places. Okay.